together.
Okay, that's easy. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-E-T-H-E-R. Together.
That is correct.
This year. I wish you the best and keep going. Bye!
Congratulations, June! I remember last year when you first came to GCFS, you didn't even know your ABCs, but now you have grown so much academically and spiritually, and I'm so proud of you. And I can't wait to see how God's going to continue to use you to be a big blessing to everyone in the future. I love you, June! Congratulations!
Congratulations, June! You did so well this year. I know you're gonna make a great first grader.
Hi, June! Congratulations! You made it! Yay! June, I still remember when you first joined my classroom 2 years ago. It's been a pleasure watching you grow and learn over the past few years. I am so proud of you and all that you have accomplished this school year. Remember, June, you are a very special person just because of who you are. But most of all, I hope you will always remember that Jesus loves you so much. He's your good father and has perfect plans for you. Keep believing in Him and dreaming big in God. I have no doubt that you have a bright future ahead of you, and I am so excited to see all the amazing things you will accomplish. Please continue to make me proud. Thank you for making my life so much brighter. I will miss your smile. You will always be in my heart and my prayers. Congratulations. I love you so much.